name is Martin Fischer and I'm the chief designer of INEOS Britannia. It is my responsibility to determine the direction in which we want to go, to push the limit of these machines even further. The interest for making boats go fast, I don't know where it comes from. I was always fascinated by quick boats, especially catamarans. So when I was young, I started sailing catamarans and the speed really fascinated me. And I thought it was really amazing how fast one could go just with the wind. And I really tried to push that as far as possible. I'm a physicist, so I studied physics with a focus on fluid dynamics. And after that, I did a PhD in geophysics. Boat design always had interested me, and at some stage I decided to do that full time. And then I moved to Italy for the work with Luna Rossa. The current AC-75s, they're very complicated and very advanced sailing boats. That's not comparable with anything else. The rig, the hull, from outside, you don't see the complexity in there. The most complicated part are the control systems, especially for the control systems for the foils. So that's really very, very difficult mechanical engineering. But what we saw in Auckland was that proper match racing was possible with these boats. So I think that was the first time that we saw proper match racing at 40+ knots. I'm very excited to have the possibility to work now on the second generation of these boats. The class rules more or less the same as last time, so it will be a second generation boat, but there's still plenty of work. I think it is possible to make gains everywhere. Every single piece on the boat can be improved, and we will work on that to improve every aspect of it. That's our work for the next 3 years or so.